Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up camera tracking in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just go into a project, then find the clip, tap on edit, scroll to the right, and here next to retouch we find camera tracking. Now if we have a video with a lot of movement in it, we can select a subject inside that video, and the app is going to track that subject, place it in the middle, and cut out the video accordingly, so that that subject remains in the middle or where we want it to be. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.